Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I know it's getting more and more boring. We're still holding Fibonacci support, so objectively nothing changed, but I noticed it in the comments. I see it on X, the engagement, right? People are getting a little bit bored, so they kind of move away from crypto a bit because it's getting boring again. And that's quite good because usually, I mean, if this really is a wave 4 that we're tracking here, then the wave 4 is currently just doing its job. Wave 4s are typically there to bore people out, okay? It really is the case. So, when enough people have left and are not, I don't know, watching the videos anymore, are not trading anymore, are not watching the charts anymore, then typically the chart starts to move. We're still holding above all support levels. Another low, of course, at this point cannot be ruled out. I have marked that on the smaller time frame as a possibility as well. We could always get another low, but Ethereum so far is holding support. This here obviously looks a bit like a range, like a triangle maybe even. So we have to be mindful that this could lead to one more low potentially. That's what a triangle often does, like one more low and then that's it, because a triangle is usually not the last move of a correction to the downside. It is typically the second to last, so there's typically one more move down coming, and that's just something to keep in mind, okay? We're far away from confirming really that we have a meaningful low established in white wave 4, so please be aware of that as well. Caution is still recommended, and this entire week my perspective on the crypto sector hasn't changed. What we need as a first real indication that a low has formed is a break above 4,400, and then we want to see a break above 4,850 area next. That's obviously here all-time high area, and then we can move towards 5,200, 5,800, 6,000 plus. That would be an ideal target area above minimum expectation, 5,200 plus. But I have said before, I might have to change my view if we break below $3,374. Let's take a quick look at the shorter time frame. And here for Ethereum, I mean, we're still moving in this range. I've got the triangle here as well. You also see how one more low could look like. If we break below the lower boundary line here, yeah, these previous swing lows, if we break below the lower boundary line, which by the way is currently coming in around $3,715, if we break below it, then the focus will shift to the 50% retracement level there, 3,374 in a wider wave 4. It wouldn't be a major problem. I mean, in the end, it would also not be surprising because none of this here is giving me breakout vibes yet to the upside. So the market remains under pressure, especially as long as we stay below the upper trend line here. It's currently coming in around $4,100. And then up there, this is the really meaningful level, $4,400. It's our green signal line. It's been there on the chart since the 10th of October because this is where the selling pressure really started to kick in. So to really drive the price higher on a sustained basis, we need a signal, obviously, to confirm this is unfolding. Yeah, as I said, first signal, a break out of the triangle to the upside, but that's not going to be so meaningful because trend lines can change, but this is actually a structural level here, the $4,400 level. Only really above that, we can really talk about a sustained recovery. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to also follow us on our other channels. Some of you might not even know that we're also running multiple channels. For example, the MCO Global Equities and Commodities channel, where we cover gold, silver every single day, one of them at least. Then platinum is sometimes covered, Tesla is sometimes covered, PayPal is sometimes covered, sometimes the S&P, sometimes the Nasdaq. So check it out. If you let us know over there in the comments which assets you would like to see covered, there's a chance they might be covered. Feel free to follow us here, especially while the crypto sector is boring, but some of you are. I know some of the community are moving over to stocks because crypto has just been a whole disappointment in this cycle. So anyway, be aware, if people do that, the wave 4 is doing its job, right? But I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.